European stocks are bracing for a downturn as investors digest a recent statement from Jerome Powell, the chair of the Federal Reserve, who indicated that stock prices are currently fairly highly valued. This assertion has raised eyebrows and could lead to a ripple effect across global markets. On Wednesday, the FTSE 100 in London is projected to open with a decline of 0.2%. While he stated, by many measures, for example, equity prices are fairly highly valued when questioned about the Federal Reserve's stance on market valuations. This statement has sparked discussions about the sustainability of current stock prices and whether a correction might be on the horizon. In a separate but equally significant development, U.S. President Donald Trump made headlines with a notable shift in his position regarding Ukraine. He expressed confidence that Ukraine could reclaim all of its territory from Russia, stating, "I think Ukraine, with the support of the European Union, is in a position to fight and win all of Ukraine back in its original form." This declaration, made on his Truth Social platform, underscores a potential change in the geopolitical landscape, especially with Trump emphasizing the importance of European and NATO support in this endeavor. During his meeting with Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky at the United Nations General Assembly in New York, Trump also voiced his backing for NATO allies to take action against any Russian aircraft that violate their airspace. This stance could provoke varied reactions, as it raises questions about military engagement and international relations. As the day unfolds in Europe, investors will be keenly watching for the release of Germany's Ifo Business Climate Index, which is set to be published later in the morning. Additionally, the Swiss Economic Sentiment Index for September is also on the agenda, providing further insights into the economic outlook in the region. What do you think about Powell's assessment of the stock market? Do you believe that current valuations are justified, or are we heading for a correction? And how do you feel about Trump's comments on Ukraine? Join the conversation in the comments below.